Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to export a video in Premiere Pro. Once you're done editing your video, you can go ahead and go to the File tab at the top left, click on Export, and click on Media. You can also hit Ctrl M on your keyboard, or you can also just simply click on Export at the top left part of Premiere Pro. Once you are in the export page, you can then change your file name right here. You can highlight it and type in your file name, and you can also click on this blue link right here to change the location on where you want to save your video. You can just go ahead and navigate through your folders and click on save right here. After that, for the preset, you can click on it, and it is recommended to select match source adaptive high bitrate to have the high quality video, and for the format, make sure that you have selected H.264 because this will export your video into a high quality MP4 format. For the range right here, make sure you have selected entire source if you want to export your entire video, or if you have set an in and out, you can also click on this one depending on your needs. After you have set everything up, just click on export at the bottom right, and it should now start exporting your video, and once it's done, your video should now be saved. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.